my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my video and press bell icon for latest update and upcoming video. I also upload different types of videos like videos on different topics like songs, poetry and rangoli, mehndi and also educational videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to them. In previous video, we had discussed about the features of utility. In this video, we will discuss about types of utility. So basically there are 6 types of utilities. We will study them in detail, one by one. Okay. I also would like to tell you that we conduct online classes for SSC, FYJC and HSC students. Interested students can contact through comment section. Okay, now let's not waste the time. Let's start with the types of utility. So the first type of utility is form utility. When utility increases due to change in shape or structure of existing material, it is called as form utility. When there are changes in shape or structure of that goods or the utility increases after the changes occur, such type of utility is called as form utility. Okay. For example, toys made out of clay. Earlier it was a clay but now created into one toy like car. So form of clay has changed into car. Okay. Second example, making furniture from wood. Earlier it was wood but now got converted into either chair or table. Okay. Such type of utility which changes according to changing form is called as form utility. For example, dress made from a fabric or shirt made from a fabric. All such are examples of form utility. Okay. I hope first point is clear. Moving on to second point, that is place utility. When utility of commodity increases due to change in place of utilization, it is also called as place utility. Okay. So there is change in utility due to change in place. Such type of utility is called as place utility. Place utility is also created with the transfer of goods from the place of production to the place of consumption, that is distributed. When the goods are distributed to consumer from the place of production, its utility increases. Okay. For example, sea sand has more utility in construction process or when it is used for construction of building or dams. At that time, sea sand has more utility rather than lying along the seashore. If the sea sand is lying along the seashore, does it have any utility? No. But when it is used in the process of construction of building or dam, it has utility. Okay. So this is the example of place utility. Okay. Moving on to third type, that is time utility. When utility of commodity increases with a change in time of utilization, such type of utility is called as time utility. Okay. For example, umbrellas have greater utility in rainy season, okay, than in winter or summer season. Winter season umbrellas are not used, they do not have, because they do not have utility. Okay. Then in rainy season umbrellas are used because they have utility. Okay. So utility which changes as per time, such type of utility is called as time utility. Okay. Time utility also refers to storing of goods in godown and using at the time of need. Whenever it is needed, we can produce and store the goods in godown, and when there is more demand or demand increases for the product, at that time goods can be utilized. Or when there is scarcity means shortage of goods. At that time also, or insufficient goods, at that time also goods can be of godown can be used. Okay. Such type of utility is called as time utility, which changes as per time. Okay. Fourth point, that is service utility. It arises when professional services are rendered by various professionals in the society to others. When professionals render or provide services, such type of utility is called as service utility. Service providers are many, like doctor to the patient is service provider. Okay, knowledge of teacher, giving knowledge to the students. Okay, so teacher here is the service provider or the professional, and students are the part of the society. Okay. Then the suggestion made by the lawyer to his clients, all these are examples of service utility. In this case, production and consumption of services both take place at the same time. There is no gap between production and consumption because they are not the goods. Here we are providing services. So So that the production and consumption of services take place at same time. Okay. I hope the point is clear. Going on to fifth point, that is knowledge utility. It increases when consumer acquires or gains knowledge about the particular product. Okay. If a person does not have knowledge about how to use a mobile or computer, or he is not knowing about the functions of mobile or computer, can he use them? No. It means when the person acquires the knowledge of using that particular mobile or computer, the utility of the mobile or computer increases. Such type of utility which depends on knowledge is called as knowledge utility. Okay. Sixth point, that is possession utility. It arises when ownership of goods is transferred from one person to the another. For example, the professional utility enjoyed by the consumer when they purchase goods from the seller. For example, a person purchased car from B. Okay, so earlier who is the owner? B. A purchases car from B. So earlier car was with whom, or possession of car was with whom? With the seller, that is with B. But now B is selling the car to A. So possession or ownership of car will move from B to A. Why? Because of possession utility. Okay, I hope points discussed up to now are clear. We will do a quick recap of points discussed up to now. That is types of utility. First, form utility. Second, place utility. Third, time utility. Fourth, service utility. Fifth, knowledge utility. And sixth, possession utility. Okay, that's it for today. We'll come up with more interesting videos shortly. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video and press bell icon for latest updates and upcoming videos. My next video would be about concept of utility. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.